Buddha was the son of a king. A long time ago, Buddha was born a prince. Before he became famous, Buddha lived in a palace as a prince from 563 BC to 483. His name was Siddhartha Gautama. At 12 he was sent away for schooling in the Hindu sacred scriptures. He returned after 4 years. He married a princess. They had a son. As he was a prince, Gautama Buddha had been shielded from the sufferings of the world. When he was 25, he saw a sick man. Then he saw an aged man, then a funeral procession. Finally, he saw a monk begging for alms. These made him so sad that he himself became a beggar. Then he went out to seek spiritual knowledge. To seek spiritual knowledge, Gautama Buddha wandered for 7 years. Finally, he sat down under a fig tree. He vowed to stay until spiritual knowledge came to him. He got it after 7 days. He named the tree as the Tree of Wisdom. He began to teach. Soon he became known as the Buddha. The Buddha preached his first sermon at Benares. Kissa Gotami had an only son. He died. She took the dead child to her neighbors to make him alive. She asked for medicine. The people called her mad. At last Kissa met a man. He told her that he had no medicine. But he knew a physician who could give medicine for the same. Kissa Gotami asked him to tell about the man. He told her to go to Shakyamuni, the Buddha. Kissa asked the Buddha to give medicine to cure the boy. The Buddha told her to bring him a handful of mustard seeds. It must be from a house where no one has died. Kissa Gotami went from house to house. People gave her mustard seeds. She asked if no one died in the house. They told her not to remind them of the deepest grief. Kissa Gotami could not get the seeds from such a house. At last, she sat tired and hopeless at the wayside. Darkness soon fell. She saw the lights of the city. Soon the darkness of the night was everywhere. She considered the fate of men. She thought that she was really selfish in her grief. Death was common to all. Yet there lay a path that led man to immortality if he surrendered all selfishness. The Buddha told her that human life was brief and painful, as ripe fruits are early in danger of falling, so mortals when born are always in danger of death. No one could avoid dying. All those who were born were to die one day. Young and adult all have to die like the vessels of a potter. They break after being made. All depart from life. A father cannot save his son. All relatives lament deeply when the dead is taken like an ox for slaughter. So the world is affected by suffering due to death and decay. The wise do not grieve as they know the truth. No one will get peace of mind from weeping or from grieving. On the contrary, his pain will be greater. His body will suffer. The dead are not saved by expressing sorrow. He who is of the lamentation and grief shall have peace of mind. One who has overcome sorrow will be free from sorrow and be blessed.